Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. The title of the project is Mobile Crime File Management Using Android Application. The abstract of the title, we have using to the client server model of the cloud basis. The cloud database, we have implementation to the server client side and server side. Client is the public users. The public users, wherever locations, we have easily to register your complaint or missing person details and wanted person details or throw to the mobile basis. The email basis, a lot of the things we have using, so we have easily to maintain for the mobile basis, easy access to obey for the unknown knowledge of the persons. To any number of clients, we have easily to connect to the server. The server immediately responds to this user. We have separate for the privacy log. The login each and everything we have handled to the complaint opener side. The complaint opener sides each and every time we have watching to the user complaint. The user complaint and crime details we have updated for the online database. The online database is for each and every time to the global basis. It's not a limitation for the projects. It is a global basis project. So we have wherever you are, the server side, the complaint opener, we have easily identified the whatever the complaint and whatever the crimes, whatever the missing persons details, we have easily to identify. Then we have proceed to the first information received. So she said for the FIR. Here the FIR details automatically we have sent to the client basis. The client basis, the FIR, we have immediate processing status. The status will be updated for the complaint server side. The complaint server side, the status will be updated. It immediately responds to the client side. The client server model, we have intermediate for the each and every times easily, but we have only for applying for the file management. So this manual work will be reduced that. And let us see the flow chart. This is the first, the mobile user, the missing persons, the crime files, and the complaints. This is the files for the public users we have using that. The mobile user watching the mobile we have using only for the Android mobile. The Android mobile users we have the applications will be provided. The provided only access to the missing persons and the crime file and the complaint registered. The mobile users details not known. We have complaint or missing persons, the file registered we have used to the mobile user informations. All the informations all applicable for the MySQL database. This is online database. We have used it to the cloud connectivity for the PHP connected. We derive to the usage. Then we have the complaint opener. So open to the cloud basis databases. Whatever the complaint to from the client. The complaint opener, then we get whatever analyzing to the FIR information. So we are providing to the FIR immediately process for the FIR. The FIR entire details analyzing department for the MySQL database. This database we have using for the complaint opener only. So this database is global for a mobile user. So we have separate database easily identify the file. So the file management easily clear ideas grow through the mobile user side and complaint opener side. This is the client side. This is the server side. The FIR concepts will be register the applications of sent to the SMS basis for the mobile users. The SMS basis copy only received to the complaint opener also. So the entire details will be shared for the cloud sides. The cloud sides both side approach easily maintaining. This is the process for the flow chart. Let us see our project demo. It's a mobile crime file. The application started. The crime file will be the department of the public users and the individual users. We can go to the individual users. There are two options there: sign in and sign up. We have provided to the new users easy to sign up. This is a privacy name. Just I have seen Ravi. So create account. The account successfully created. Then we have go to the sign in. The Ravi password is 123. Sign in. This is the user form. The complaint, crime, and the missing persons. The viewing the missing persons. Viewing the complaint status. The viewing the crime status. View the feedback of the feedback is also for the application side. So it is not only mentioned that. First of all, the complaint. The complaint download the details to the user sites. The user's complaint registers for the user information first. So just you give the name, the street, the phone number applicable for the original phone number. So we have derived to the not fake another number, you give to the original number. I give to my original number. Then next, then email number. Then give the next. Then go to the complaint register. We have the user information all there. Just click the complaint register. Then enter the complaint type. This is the subject for the missing certificate, and you have registered to the complaint details. For the entire details you give the text box. This is a multiple language text box, so you whatever your information you give to details for explanations for the registrations. Then finally we complain to register. Finally we complain to the register. The complaint will be registered for the database. The online database will be show that we have created to the online database. You see this is the database of the complaint registers. Just to first of all the complaint register table. This is Ravi. The rest will be added. The complaint successfully registered and back. Next to the crime. Suppose you have any crime for on the street or the land nearby landmark. So anything you complain. So for example, say we have you acting for the robberies, something like that, the fighting, so the generations. We have immediately response to the public users for the server side. The crime area. So we have mentioned to the crime area. This is the code of this landmark. Then we have give to the crime. So we have registered the crime. Just click the crimes. The crime will be added for the database. Crime tab. Sinigabakam College Road, Chennai. The student blocked the roads. This is the immediately process. We have immediately actions to derive that. Then we have a lot of the same procedure of the missing persons. The missing person details, all of the details will be loaded. Then we have the processing statement. Then we have load the images and the camera wise and the file store wise. So the file stores will be immediately. This is online database services. The missing person details will be crime will be added. Status wanted. Next we view the missing person details on the complaint. View complaint status. We have easily view to the complaint status. Whatever the Ravi missing certificate, the details will be shown that the easily matches. The subject will be changed for the after completion, so will be hide. So easily identify to the file will be closed on the crime files. So this is a file management, easily access to the client side and both server side. Next we have to go to the admin side. So we have derived to the admin or the complaint opener. So we have derived to admin. So records view the missing persons records, view the complaint status, the FIR informations. The FIR information details approved for the missing persons complaint and the crime details. The missing person is complaint. So we have showed that. So such the missing person's code. So each and every codes will be show that one. We have derived to the FIR machines. So you open that. First we have to go to the crime. So crime is registered. The crime code. We need the searching for the crime code and enter the details. We have find to the FIR to the crimes. The server side we have skipping to the crime. All of the files we not need to the FIR. So some files we have need to the FIR is immediately to complaint opener send to the FIR. Then search. This is the complaint details for the student blocking roads. Some student fighting. The descriptions. This descriptions we have mentioned to the server side. We have easily to see just like the access the complaint. We stop. Okay. This is the FIR will be. This is the complaint registers. The complaint register will have matching to the same procedure of the complaints. We have derived to the number. We have showed to the searching procedure to the cloud database. Easily to complaint missing certificate, we complaint applicable. We have easily to FAR concepts will be applied. Thank you.